Hello, my name is Catherine Franklin. I'm a CPA, an accountant with over 20 years of experience. And today I wanted to come on here and share another deduction for truck drivers and owner operators that is not new, but it's missed a lot. And now there's new guidelines about it that make it 100% deductible. And that deduction is called a per diem deduction for meals. When you travel away from home, you stay overnight away from your home because of work. The government says, we know you had meals. We know you had breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you can either track your breakfast, lunch, and dinner and take a deduction, or you can take what they call a per diem deduction. Well, in truth, most people don't keep their receipts, and few people remember. So that deduction, when people try and track meals, they tend to underestimate the deduction. So the better way is to use the per diem. The per diem for 2021 was $66 a day. The per diem for 2022 is $69 per day. That deduction, out of maybe 200 returns I've looked at, has been missed by 90%. How do I know? If you go to your Schedule C, if you're an owner operator or a driver or a sole proprietor, as a LLC with single member LLC, okay, like you have incorporated, you have an LLC, but you're the only owner of the LLC. Therefore, all those people file a Schedule C on their 1040. That Schedule C, if you go to line 24B, that is where the meals deduction is. Now, regular folk get to deduct only 50% meals. Okay, so if you spend 1,000, you only get to deduct 500, right? 50%. But drivers are able to deduct 80%. Okay, this is a special regulation in the tax code for people in the trucking industry. Okay, then on top of that, for 2021 and 2022, they allowed 100% per diem deduction. 100%. It's based on the number of days you are away from home. If your tax preparer has never asked you, how many days did you drive and you spent the night away from home? If they haven't asked you that question, then they're not taking that deduction for you. See, for most drivers, this deduction is at least $10,000 deduction. And you might say, if I make a lot of money, $10,000 is not a big deal. But I'll tell you, every deduction counts. Because if you're a driver, you don't have very many deductions. Per diem is going to be one of your biggest deductions. But if you're also an owner operator, that per diem adds with your fuel, your repairs, is an additional deduction that helps you reduce your taxes. These are the ways you reduce your taxes legally. And even if you get audited, you have no problems because they are legal deductions allowed in the tax code. So my intention is to bring you information that I see that you're missing, or that I see that's missing, or new information, because my desire is to make sure that we are getting every deduction. In these inflationary times, we need to take every deduction we're entitled to. So now if you're there and you're saying, I think I've been missing this deduction, and you want advice, or you want your tax prepared right, reach out to me. And it's very simple. Go to Google and type www.askwebcpa.com. www.askwebcpa.com. And when you click on that, it will bring you a little form that will basically ask for your name, your phone number, and why you want to reach me. And then it will bring up my calendar, and you can pick a time for a free consultation with me. If you do this and you want me to do your taxes next year, I'll send you a coupon for $100 off tax prep. I'm right now booking 2023 tax return preparation. If you want me to do your taxes, do click on that, fill out the form. I will send you $100. Tell me that you saw my video. You're gonna tell me why you saw my video. On where it asks why you're reaching out to me. Say you saw my video and you want the coupon, okay? And I will send you $100 coupon for tax prep for next year. All right? So thank you for listening to my video, and share. If this is information that has blessed you, share with another truck driver, share it with another person in the trucking industry. All right. Thank you.